Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will see standard 10 CBSE polynomials, how to find the zeros of the polynomial by factorization method alone. Okay, find the zeros of the polynomial 9x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Here in this video I am going to do only using uh, factorization method. So let us consider 9x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So in the rough column we can write the sum to be minus 3, the middle term minus 3, and I want the product as 9 into this number, so it is minus 18. So I want the sum as minus 3 and product as negative 18. So always try to represent this product. This 18 can be written as, so write all the factors of 18, where in whichever table 18 comes you have to write. So it is 1 into 18. If you could directly hit the answer, it is well and good. I am just explaining how to find out. The 2 into 9 is 18 and 3 into 6 is also 18. That is all. So in these 3 we get 18 as the product. But I want minus 3 as a sum. So now if the product is negative, we know that plus into minus is only minus. So one number to be positive, one number to be negative, then only we get the product as negative. So be very clear on that. So if the product is negative, one number to be positive and one number to be negative. Now how to fix the positive and negative number? Now whatever sign is here, that has to be attached to the bigger number. Okay, here the sign is negative. The negative sign to be attached to the bigger number. So 1 into 18. 18 is bigger. So it is minus 18 plus 1. 2 into 9. 9 is bigger. So negative 9 plus 2. And here 6 is bigger. Negative 6 plus 3. So again I have got 3 options. Now you check where you get minus 3. Minus 18 plus 1. Minus 17. Minus 9 plus 2. Minus 7. Minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. So here I am ending up with. So if the product is negative, either one of the numbers should be negative, and whatever sign is here, that should be attached to the bigger number. If suppose I get plus 3 here, this plus 2 be attached to the bigger number of these two. Okay, so this is the option left. So 9x squared, this minus is splitting the middle terms of factors. This minus 3 only I am splitting it as minus 6x plus 3x, correct? And this minus 2 is there. Now combine two terms and try to pull out whichever is common. 9 and 6, 3 is common. X square and x is common. So this is 3x minus 2. Here there is nothing common, so I can pull out plus 1. 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Ensure that this term 3x minus 2 and 3x minus 2 here are same. Okay. So now I am pulling out this 3x minus 2 commonly out because they are same. So here there is only 3x and here there is plus 1. You should read along with the sign. So product of, so this is one number, this is one number and this is another number. Product of two numbers is 0, implies either one of them is 0. So I get 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or 3x plus 1 equals 0. So it can be, so x is equal to minus 2 comes this side as 2 by this into this is 2 by 3, or x is equal to plus 1 comes this side as minus 1 and this is into 3 comes this side as by 3. So the solution is x is equal to 2 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3. Do you get? Since it is a quadratic equation, I have got two answers. Now next sum, solve x square plus 2 root x, 2 root 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Again, what is the sum here? Sum is 2 root 2. And product is here, there is no number, so it is considered as 1. 1 into minus 6. 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. Okay. So sum to be 2 root 2, product to be minus root 6. And the sign over here is positive. Whenever there is a surd here, right? So that has to come in the answer. So default you can write root 2 because samla root 2 are. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. So minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. Do you get? Root 2 abdina root 2 into root 2 2. So divide this number by 2. So I get minus 3 as the answer. Now I want the product as minus 3. 1 into 3 is 3. That is all. Right? 1 into 3 is 3. Do you get? Shall I repeat one more time? எப்பவுமே sumல if it is a surd இப்போ root 3 இருக்குன்னா default root 3 into root 3 you can write இங்க root 2 இருக்கு so root 2 into root 2 you can write and divide this number by this surd square இப்போ minus 3 வருது so minus 3 வரா மாதிரி you should write the tables 3 வரா மாதிரி again product is negative so this sign to be attached to the greater number here is 3. So here it is plus 3, smaller number is 1. So this is how it is split as. So this is, so solution x square plus 2 root 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So this is x square. This 2 root 2x is splitted as minus 1 root 2x plus 3 root 2x. 3 minus 1 is 2. I have got minus 6 equal to 0. Now combine and get the answer done. So this is not x is common, pull out. So this is x minus root 2 plus 3 and 6. 3 is common. Then root 2 is also common. Root 2 is also common. So this is x minus root 2 equal to 0. So how to pull out? As the last sum itself I have said this term and this term need to be the same. Correct? So accordingly you can write what is the first term here? X. So if you don't know what to pull out, you can obviously have your choice. See, I have taken 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 as common. If you don't know how to write that whatever is common, what you can do is, what is the first term here? 3 root 2x. But what I want here inside the bracket? X. So divide by x. So 3 root 2 is to be taken out. That is how you should proceed with. Okay. So now again x minus root 2 is common in both. So here there is only x and here it is plus 3 root 2 equal to 0. So product of two numbers is 0. So either one is 0. So x is root 2 or x is minus 3 root 2. That is, here I have got the answer. Now next, find the roots of this equation. Solution. So it is root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 equal to 0. Here sum and product. Sum is plus 10. Product is root 3 into 7 root 3. So 7 into 3. 21. Product is positive. So write 21. So it is 1 into 21 or 3 into 7. So if I write product is positive, so both the numbers should be the same and it should be this sign. So it is plus 3 and plus 3. Product is positive, both should carry the same sign. Either both should be negative or both should be positive. And here what is the sum mode sign? Plus 10 or both to carry positive sign. So this is root 3x square plus 3x plus 7x. So this 10 is split as 3 plus 7 root 3 equal to 0. So this is root 3 is common, x is also common. If I pull out x plus root 3, in the 3 the 1 root 3 goes because 3 is root 3 into root 3, right? Plus 7 is common. So this is x plus root 3 equal to 0 again. Okay. Now x plus root 3 and x plus root 3 is common. If I pull out x plus root 3 into root 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So I end up with x is equal to negative root 3 or negative 7 by root 3. Either you can leave the answer as such or rationalize the denominator and write the answer as minus 7 root 3 by 3. This is also correct. Either way you leave the answer, but or normally if you express in standard form like this, it will be well and good. Now we'll move on to the next sum. Find the solution of. Now this is like variable, alphabets, right? There is no number attached to it. And look at the middle term. The middle term x, there is something inside the bracket. Okay. Now if I remove the bracket, what will happen? Just check. 4x square minus 2a square x minus 2b square x plus a square b square equal to 0. Correct? So this minus I have multiplied, this x is also multiplied with. So now I have got 4 terms inside. So the question itself has done one step, has given me factorized form only. Only thing is he has inserted the bracket. So whenever there is x term and there is bracket inside, if you remove the bracket, you will get the answer in straight steps. So now whatever is common, try to pull out. 2 is common, x is also common. So this is 2x minus a square. Here minus square into 2x minus a square equal to 0. So negative b square is common in both. So if I write, so now again if you have collapsed with, you can obviously, this is what is the third term, minus 2b b square x. What is the first term here? 2x. So if I cancel, negative b square is coming. So pull that out. Okay, so now 2x minus b square into 2x minus a square equal to 0, because I have taken 2x minus a square out. Here it is 2x, here it is minus b square. So I get 2x equal to b square, or x is equal to b square by 2. Similarly 2x equal to a square, or x is equal to a square by 2. These are the solutions. So if the question in the middle term includes bracket, just open up the bracket, you will get the answer. Question number 5. Again he has opened the bracket and given it, he didn't even put the bracket. Bracket is opened already. So simply just gather the terms, two terms, and write the answer. So b square x. So it is a square x plus 1. Minus 1 is common, so a square x plus 1 equal to 0. So a square x plus 1 is same in both. A square x plus 1 is common, take out, then it is b square x negative 1 equal to 0. So you get it as x is equal to minus 1 by a square, or x is equal to 1 by b square. These are the answers. So it is a quadratic equation, and obviously you should end up with two answers. And I have done 5 different types of sums. Hope you have understood. If you like this video, please do subscribe. We will catch up in the next video. Bye.